Meaning of gold disc.
Gold disc.
Gold disc.
Gold disc.
Gold disc. Gold disc refers to a type of award or recognition given to musicians for selling a certain number of albums. In the music industry, a gold disc is typically awarded for selling 500,000 to 1 million copies of an album in the United States. The term gold disc comes from the actual physical award, which is often a gold-colored disc-shaped plaque. Achieving a gold disc is a sign of commercial success and is seen as a major achievement in the music industry, as it indicates that an artist's album has resonated with a large audience.